First and foremost, why is it important to use the dual cleansing method? So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Niyati and today we will be showing you the two-step or dual cleansing method. When we apply makeup on our skin, we sometimes don't realize that just washing it off with a face wash is not enough. There are certain makeup products which are still present in our skin pores. So to thoroughly wash them off from our face, it is important that we follow the two-step cleansing method. The first step is to use a balm or an oil to remove your makeup, and the second step is to wash your face.
To take my makeup off today, I'm going to be using our latest product, the Hemp Cleansing Oil. This is a lightweight oil formula which is effortless and easy to remove all your makeup. It also helps you remove the waterproof makeup. A coin size is enough to get rid of your makeup. As this is a lightweight formula, you can use it even if you have an oily skin. Rub the product gently on your face. Remember not to be very harsh when removing your makeup. Next, I'm going to be using a green tea pore cleansing face wash. Green tea is rich in antioxidants. This will help you get rid of all your acne marks and also compact them. This is a gentle, soap-free and non-drying face wash which is suitable for all skin types.
I'm using this E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. I love this cleansing balm as it easily removes my waterproof makeup and moisturizes my skin while cleansing. It has cocoa butter and shea butter which is extremely hydrating and nourishing. Then I'm using the salicylic foaming face wash for double cleansing my skin. This face wash fights acne, blackheads, whiteheads and breakouts in a gentle yet effective way. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Also let us know in the comment section below what is your go-to product to remove your makeup of cleansing balm or cleansing oil. See you guys next time. Bye.